Hey, this is Tom, owner of 702 IT. Thanks for stopping by. Halloween, Thanksgiving, and end of year holidays are right around the corner. What can we do right now to set ourselves up for success? Here are a couple non-technical tips to grease the wheels before winter. First, check your phone and internet service contracts. In both cases, if you've had either for a few years, you can probably get more service for less money today. Give your current provider a call to get some details for your baseline. Don't be so quick to renew though. Ask yourself if now is a good time to make a change. As long as you're knee-deep in contract dates, go ahead and calendar the expiration dates you have gathered. Set the reminder to be 30 or 60 days to allow time to take action if necessary. Our clients laugh when we send them calendar invites for 5 years from now. It is kind of funny and effective too. Another area of focus is service contracts on any revenue generating resources. Now is the time to review those too. Keeping your production and service operations running at peak performance means up-to-date documentation. If you've had key players leave in the past year, review your contacts on your contracts, making sure only active employees are listed, which keeps things running smoothly and also helps keep the silliness away. Make a list of parties responsible for vendor relations and who to contact when something is broken. Have this list available for all employees to see. Time is our common constraint. Saving time in the future by being prepared today. Hey, is someone writing these nuggets down? If you want help organizing your IT, then call me, 702-357-4333. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.